me something. Over 12 years that you started with Mardani 1, did you really think that it's going to continue with the franchising? Did you really think about it? Or was it?
No, actually not. Actually, as we all remember the Nirbhaya case that happened in 2012, and it had completely shaken the entire country. We were all very angry, we were all frustrated, we were all, I think, terrified with the kind of horror with which the audacity of the crime had taken place. So I remember at that time, Mardani was born out of the collective anger that I felt as an artist, Adi felt as a producer, Pradeepta felt as a director, Gopi Putra was the writer. And I think Mardani was our way of probably expressing our grief and our anger towards such a crime. And it was also a way of Shivani, being a woman in uniform, portraying a character that empowers women, to basically instill that power in women, because it was like, we felt enough is enough. But the sad part is that we sit here today in 2026 and we still talk about women's safety, we still talk about the crimes which have not deteriorated, they have only increased. So I think Mardani in a way is a film that reminds us as women that we are Shakti, and we have to keep believing that we have the power to be able to fight these things, and the more conversations we have towards women's safety, the judiciary will finally come out with such, I would say, stricter punishments that will probably never allow a person to even think of committing